The next recipe is grilled cheese. Now, I usually burn my grilled cheese because I don't pay attention and flip it over, and one side's usually black and the other is brown. This one, you can just pop it in, you don't have to worry, and it cooks perfectly. So for this recipe, I'm using sourdough bread, a little bit of butter that I've melted, and some American cheese. All right, the first thing I'm gonna do is butter one side of my bread. Then I like to add a few pieces of cheese because we like our grilled cheese nice and cheesy. Okay, then we're just gonna flip on the tops and butter the tops. Then I'm gonna use the air fryer lid today for this one. You can use your normal air fryer too. And we're just gonna put the sandwiches right in. Go ahead and just put this right into your Instant Pot. And go ahead and put on your air fryer lid. Okay, so we're gonna air fry at 360 degrees for just 3 minutes. All right, this is all done. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so one side is cooked, so we're just gonna pull this out real quick so we can flip them. I'm just gonna use some tongs, get in there. Oh, nice. Oh, it's starting to get nice and cheesy. So we're just gonna cook these a little bit longer, like 3 to 5 minutes. We'll check it in 3. All right, this should be done. Let's pull it up and look at it. Oh yeah, it is looking good. All right, let's just pull these out. It looks so good. That is a good grilled cheese.